Hello, everyone, and welcome back to VoiceNest English, the podcast where learning English feels simple, natural, and comfortable. I'm Ayan, and I'm really happy you're here with us today.
Hi, everyone. I'm Sarah. It's wonderful to have you listening. Whether you're at home, on the bus, or relaxing after work, we're glad you're here. Sarah, how are you today?
I'm doing great, Ayan. I feel fresh and positive today. How about you?
I'm good too. I'm awake, I had my coffee, so I'm ready.
Coffee makes everything better.
It really does. And that actually connects to our topic today.
Yes, today we're talking about something very simple, but very important for English learners.
We're talking about daily life, our routines, what we do every day.
Sometimes the word routine sounds boring.
Yes, it sounds ordinary.
But our daily routines are actually very interesting, and they're perfect for practicing English.
Exactly, because when we talk about daily life, we use simple, real, natural English.
Morning, afternoon, evening, night.
Basic verbs: wake up, eat, go, work, relax.
So today, we're going to walk through our day from morning to night.
And while we talk, you can listen carefully and learn how to describe your own routine.
Let's start with the morning.
The morning. Do you like mornings, Ayan?
Honestly, not really. I am not a morning person.
Really? I love mornings.
You're one of those happy morning people?
Yes, I like waking up early. The world feels quiet and calm.
For me, the morning starts with the alarm clock.
The alarm sound?
Yes, beep, 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 and I think, oh no, already?
Do you wake up immediately?
No, I press the snooze button.
The snooze button. 5 more minutes.
Yes, 5 more minutes, and sometimes 5 more after that.
So when do you actually get out of bed?
When I realize I'm late, then I jump out of bed quickly.
That sounds stressful.
It is.
My morning is very different.
Tell me.
I wake up early, before the sun sometimes.
That sounds peaceful.
It is. The house is quiet, no noise, no traffic, just silence.
And what is the first thing you do?
Coffee. Always coffee.
Good answer. Coffee is life.
How do you like your coffee?
Strong, black, no sugar.
Very serious coffee.
Yes, what about you?
I like mine with a little milk, hot and smooth.
After coffee, what do you do?
I sit by the window for a few minutes. I don't check my phone immediately.
That's impressive. I'd check my phone right away.
Emails?
Messages, news, social media, everything.
Maybe you should try a quiet morning.
Maybe I should.
So after coffee, it's breakfast time.
Breakfast is very fast for me. Usually toast, maybe a banana.
Quick and simple.
Yes, because I'm usually in a hurry.
I like a proper breakfast. Yogurt with fruit, sometimes eggs.
Eggs in the morning? That's organized.
It's not difficult, just a little planning.
After breakfast, we get ready for the day.
Yes, shower time.
I like a hot shower. It helps me wake up.
Me too. A hot shower feels fresh.
Then comes the difficult part.
Choosing clothes?
Exactly. I stand in front of my closet and think, I have nothing to wear.
Even when you have many clothes.
Yes, it makes no sense.
My system is simple. I keep things basic. Neutral colors, easy combinations.
That saves time.
It does. No stress in the morning.
After that, it's time to leave for work.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
Is it crowded?
Very. Many people, very busy.
What do you do on the bus?
I listen to music, sometimes a podcast.
Good idea. Listening to English on the way to work is a great habit.
What about you?
I drive.
That sounds comfortable.
It is, but traffic is not comfortable.
Stop, go, stop, go.
Exactly. So I also listen to music to relax.
And then we arrive at work.
Yes, and the real day begins.
So now we are at work.
Yes, the serious part of the day begins.
The first thing I do when I arrive at work is turn on my computer.
Same here. I sit at my desk, take a deep breath, and press the power button.
And then emails.
So many emails.
I read emails, I reply to emails, I send emails.
Sometimes it feels like the whole day is just emails.
Exactly. And some emails are long, very long.
And some are short but urgent.
Yes, please respond quickly. That message always makes me nervous.
After emails, I usually check my schedule.
Meetings?
Yes, meetings. Online meetings, office meetings, team discussions.
Meetings can be interesting, but sometimes they are very long.
Very long. And sometimes we talk about the same thing again and again.
That happens often.
But I like working with people. I enjoy teamwork.
Me too. Helping people, solving problems, finishing tasks, it feels good.
Do your workday usually feel busy?
Almost always. There is always something to do.
Same for me. Sometimes I look at the clock and it is already 12:30 p.m.
Ah, lunchtime.
The best part of the workday.
Food makes everything better.
Do you bring your lunch from home?
Sometimes, but not every day.
What do you usually bring?
A sandwich or leftovers from dinner.
Leftovers are smart, easy, and practical.
Yes, and cheaper than buying food every day.
I usually bring a salad or pasta. I try to eat healthy during the week.
That's very disciplined.
Not always. Sometimes I buy lunch too.
Where do you go?
There's a small cafe near my office. It's cozy and quiet.
That sounds nice. I like going outside during lunch.
Yes, getting fresh air is important.
Walking for 10 minutes makes a big difference.
It helps your brain relax.
And sometimes we need that break.
After lunch, the afternoon begins.
And around 3 o'clock, something happens.
Sleepiness.
Exactly. My energy goes down.
Mine too. My eyes feel heavy.
Sometimes I drink more coffee.
I switch to tea, green tea.
That's healthier.
Or I eat a small snack.
Like what?
An apple or some nuts.
I usually eat a cookie.
That works too.
The afternoon is usually about finishing tasks.
Yes, completing work, checking details, preparing for the next day.
Sometimes I feel very productive.
And sometimes you just wait for 5 p.m.
Exactly. You look at the clock every 5 minutes.
And finally,
Work is finished.
the best feeling.
So finally, work is finished.
Yes, that moment when you close your computer feels amazing.
I take a deep breath and think, okay, the day is done.
Now it's time to go home.
I take the bus again, but this time I'm more relaxed.
Because there is no hurry.
Exactly. I usually look out the window and just think quietly.
I drive home. Traffic is still there, but I don't feel stressed anymore.
Because home is waiting.
Yes, home feels safe and comfortable.
When I open my door, the first thing I do is drop my bag.
Same. I put my keys on the table, take off my shoes, and relax.
Do you change clothes immediately?
Yes, work clothes off, comfortable clothes on.
That is the best feeling.
It really is. A soft t-shirt, comfortable pants, perfect.
After that, I usually sit down for a few minutes.
Just silence?
Yes, no talking, no noise, just quiet.
I like that too. Sometimes I lie down on the sofa for 5 minutes.
Only 5?
Okay, maybe 10.
Now let's talk about dinner.
Yes, the important question. Do you cook?
Sometimes, but not every day.
Be honest, are you a good cook?
I try, but sometimes things go wrong.
Like what?
I once forgot about the rice. It burned.
Oh no.
The whole kitchen smelled terrible.
That happens. Cooking needs attention.
What about you? Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I actually find it relaxing.
Really?
Yes, I put on some music, cut vegetables, and take my time.
That sounds peaceful.
I like simple food. Pasta, soup, rice with vegetables.
Simple food is best.
And it's healthy too.
On days when I don't want to cook, I order food.
Pizza?
Sometimes, pizza is easy and quick.
Nothing wrong with pizza once in a while.
After dinner, I clean the kitchen.
Good habit.
I don't like waking up to a messy kitchen.
Same. Cleaning right away saves time later.
Then comes the best part of the evening.
Relax time.
Exactly.
What do you usually do?
I sit on the sofa and watch something light, maybe a comedy show.
Laughing after a long day is important.
Yes, it helps me forget stress.
I sometimes read a book.
What kind of books?
Stories or personal development books.
Reading at night feels calm.
Very calm. Sometimes I also go for a short walk.
At night?
Yes, the streets are quiet, the air feels fresh.
That sounds peaceful.
It helps clear my mind.
Evenings are different for everyone.
Yes, some people exercise.
Some people spend time with family.
Some people study.
And some people just rest.
There is no right or wrong routine.
The important thing is balance.
Work, rest, food, sleep.
Speaking of sleep,
It's almost nighttime.
so now it's nighttime.
Yes, the day is almost over.
After relaxing for a while, I start to feel sleepy.
Same here. My body tells me, okay, it's time to rest.
Before I go to bed, I usually brush my teeth.
Of course, very important.
Then I change into pajamas.
Comfortable pajamas are the best.
Absolutely. And then I get into bed.
Do you fall asleep quickly?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
What do you do if you can't sleep?
I try not to use my phone. The light makes it harder to sleep.
That's true. I usually read a few pages of a book.
Reading helps the mind slow down.
Yes, after 10 or 15 minutes, my eyes feel heavy.
And then sleep.
What time do you usually go to bed?
Around 11 p.m.
That's not bad. What about you?
I go to bed earlier, around 10 p.m.
That explains why you love mornings.
Exactly. If you sleep early, waking up is easier.
I know, but sometimes I stay up late.
Watching one more video,
Yes, just one more, and then it becomes 2.
and the next morning is difficult again.
It's a cycle.
That's why daily routines matter.
Our habits shape our day.
And small habits make a big difference.
So now we've talked about our full daily routine.
From the alarm clock,
To coffee,
to work,
to dinner.
and finally to sleep.
Everyone's routine is different.
But the language we use is simple and useful.
Wake up, brush your teeth, eat breakfast, go to work.
Have lunch, come home, relax, sleep.
These are everyday English phrases.
And the best way to practice is to talk about your own day.
Yes, try this tonight.
Before you sleep, describe your day in English.
For example, I woke up at 7.
I drank coffee.
I worked all day.
I ate pasta for dinner.
Small sentences are enough.
You don't need difficult words.
Just real life English.
And remember, your routine does not have to be perfect.
It just has to work for you.
Some people are morning people.
Some people are night owls.
Some people love cooking.
Some people order pizza.
Both are okay.
What matters is balance.
Work hard.
Rest well.
Eat properly.
Sleep enough.
And practice your English every day.
Even 5 minutes helps.
Now we have a question for you.
Are you a morning person or an evening person?
Do you wake up early with energy?
Or do you feel more alive at night?
Write your answer in English.
Tell us about your routine.
What time do you wake up?
What do you eat for breakfast?
How do you relax at night?
We'd love to read your answers.
Thank you for spending your time with us.
We hope this conversation helped you learn useful English.
Keep practicing
Keep speaking.
and keep improving step by step.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Take care.
Good night.